Hi, this video tutorial I will cover binary search method of collections. This binary search method will accept list, key and comparator. First I will run this program, then I will explain. This is the output of this sample program. Here you can see the employee list. It has 5 employee objects: John, David, Peter, Julie and Ram. From this employee list, I want to get the employee object whose employee ID is 202. We will see how to do that using binary search method. Inside main method, I am creating employee list. In employee list, we can add only employee object. Now we will see the employee class. The employee class has two attributes, employee ID and name. And I have defined getter and setter methods for employee ID and name. And I have overridden toString method. It will return employee ID and name. And it has one employee constructor which accept employee ID and name. Using this employee constructor, we can create the employee object. Here I have defined the employee ID comparator, which implements comparator interface, and provide implementation of compare method. This method has logic to arrange the employee objects in ascending order based on employee ID. Here I have created 5 employee objects: John, David, Peter, Julie and Ram. Then adding this 5 employee objects in employee list. Then I am displaying employee list content. Here you can see the output. Then I am calling sort method of collections. In sort method, I am passing employee list and employee ID comparator object. What this sort method will do is, it will arrange the employee objects in ascending order based on employee ID. To arrange the employee objects in ascending order, it will use employee ID comparator compare method. Then after sorting, I am displaying the employee list content. Here you can see the output, and you can see employee objects are arranged in ascending order based on employee ID. Then I am creating a search key. It is employee object whose employee ID is 202. Then I am calling binary search method of collections, and in binary search method I am passing employee list, search key and employee ID comparator. This method will return the index position of employee object whose employee ID is 202. So here you can see we got index position as 2. Then I am calling get method of array list, and I am passing index position. This method will return the employee object which is there in the index position 2. Once I get the employee object, I am displaying the employee name. Here you can see the output. And this is about binary search method of collections, and thanks for watching.